In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Google Flight Price Alerts, a handy tool for any savvy traveler. Whether you're planning a vacation, visiting family, or need a quick work trip, setting up flight price alerts will help you snag the best deals without the hassle of constantly checking for updates. First off, let's head over to Google Flights. You can access this on either a desktop or mobile browser. Once you're there, make sure you sign in with your Google account. This is essential because it will allow you to save your flight alerts and receive notifications. Now let's get into the main part, entering your travel information. You'll need to input your departure city, your destination, and the dates you plan to travel. Browse through the available flight options carefully. It's always a good idea to explore different airlines and times to ensure you're considering all possible options, giving you a clearer picture of the price range. Once you've selected your preferred flights, it's time to turn on price tracking. At the top of the results, you'll notice a toggle switch labeled Track Prices with a small bell icon. Click or tap on this icon to start tracking prices. Now, you have a choice to make. You can choose to receive alerts for specific dates, which means you'll only get updates for the exact flights you've selected, or opt for a more flexible option. Selecting any dates means Google will notify you about cheaper flights across a more extensive date range. This is ideal if you have flexibility in your travel plans and can be patient for the right deal. Receiving notifications is straightforward. Google will send you email updates, and if you're using the Google app on your mobile device, you can also receive push alerts. The alerts you'll get are quite informative. They include price drops with specifics like your flight to Tokyo dropped by $85. They also notify you of price increases, helping you act quickly if your monitored flight has a price hike. Additionally, you'll get insights on the best time to book based on price trends, so you'll never miss a potential saving. Lastly, managing your tracked flights is simple. If you're on a desktop, click on the menu icon, represented by 3 horizontal lines, and select Tracked Flights. On mobile, tap on Saved followed by Tracked Flights. This section is where you can turn alerts on or off or remove flights you no longer wish to track. This feature is great for organizing your travel plans, as schedules might change and you'll need flexibility in managing your alerts. With this straightforward process, you'll be well equipped to capture great flight deals effortlessly. Happy traveling!